Are you staring at an empty comment section when you know there should be discussions happening? Let's fix those missing YouTube comments fast. First things first, let's rule out a simple glitch. Refreshing the page is your instant reset. Click the refresh button on your browser, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac sometimes. That's all it takes to bring those comments back to life. If a simple refresh didn't do the trick, it's time to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Go to your browser settings, usually found by clicking the three dots or lines in the top right corner. Look for History or Privacy and Security, and then select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to check Cookies and Other Site Data, and Cached Images and Files, then hit Clear Data. Next up, let's check your YouTube account settings. Log in to YouTube and click on your profile picture in the top right. Then navigate to Settings and select Account. Look for the Privacy section. Ensure that the option to hide my subscriptions or any similar privacy settings that might affect comment visibility are turned off. Sometimes these settings can inadvertently hide your activity, including comments. Still no luck? The issue might be with YouTube's servers themselves. Head over to a website like Down Detector and search for YouTube. If there's a widespread outage, you'll see a spike in reports. In this case, all you can do is wait for YouTube to resolve the problem. Finally, and this is crucial, make sure your YouTube app or browser is updated to the latest version. Outdated software can cause all sorts of compatibility issues on a mobile device. Check your app store on a desktop. Your browser will usually prompt you for updates, or you can check within the browser's About section. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to get those YouTube comments showing up so you can join the conversation. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more YouTube tips.